Achieving glowing, radiant skin is a goal for many, but it can be tricky to find the right products that deliver results. Whether you're battling dullness, dark spots, or uneven texture, the right skincare can make a world of difference. In today's video, we're going to review the top 5 products that promise glowing, luminous skin. These products are trusted by beauty enthusiasts and professionals alike, so let's dive into the details of what makes them stand out and how they can help you achieve your best skin ever. Kicking off our list at number 1, Caudalie Vinoperfect Serum. The Caudalie Vinoperfect Serum is a highly acclaimed brightening serum that focuses on reducing dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Known for its ability to provide a more even skin tone, this serum is packed with natural ingredients, including vine sap, to restore radiance to your complexion. It's often hailed as one of the best options for anyone dealing with skin discoloration, and it promises a visible difference in just a few weeks of use. Key features: the Caudalie Vinoperfect Serum contains viniferine, a potent ingredient derived from vine sap, which is known for its ability to brighten the skin and fade dark spots. It's free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, making it a gentle option for all skin types, including sensitive skin. The lightweight formula is easily absorbed, leaving no sticky residue, and it can be used both morning and night. The serum is also cruelty-free, vegan, and dermatologically tested. Benefits and usage: the primary benefit of Caudalie Vinoperfect Serum is its ability to brighten the complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots, uneven skin tone, and hyperpigmentation. Over time, you'll notice a more radiant and youthful appearance, as the serum works to restore a natural glow. To use, apply a few drops to clean, dry skin before your moisturizer. The serum is lightweight and absorbs quickly, making it ideal for layering with other products. Usability: Caudalie Vinoperfect Serum is easy to incorporate into your skincare routine. Simply apply it after cleansing and before moisturizing. Its lightweight texture makes it suitable for all skin types, and it can be worn under makeup without causing pilling. For best results, it's recommended to use the serum consistently twice daily, morning and night, and pair it with a sunscreen during the day for added protection against UV rays. Durability: the Caudalie Vinoperfect Serum has a shelf life of around 12 months after opening. The packaging ensures that the serum is protected from air and light, which helps maintain its potency over time. Given its effectiveness, a little goes a long way, so the product lasts for months, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to address dark spots and uneven skin tone. In the second spot, we have Sunday Riley Good Genes. Sunday Riley Good Genes is an award-winning lactic acid treatment that exfoliates, brightens, and refines the skin's texture. This treatment is designed to deliver instant radiance while also improving long-term skin health. It's perfect for anyone looking to combat dull skin, fine lines, and uneven texture. With its powerful blend of lactic acid, it promotes cell turnover, leaving your skin smoother and more luminous. Key features: the main active ingredient in Sunday Riley Good Genes is lactic acid, a mild exfoliant that works to gently slough away dead skin cells and promote cell renewal. This serum also contains licorice extract, which brightens the skin, and lemongrass, which works to clarify and refine pores. It's suitable for most skin types, including dry and sensitive skin, due to the addition of soothing ingredients like aloe and sandalwood extract. The formula is free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. Benefits and usage: Good Genes works by exfoliating the skin, which helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. It also provides immediate radiance, making your skin look more glowy and youthful. To use, apply the serum to clean, dry skin in the morning or evening. If using in the morning, make sure to follow with sunscreen to protect your skin from UV damage. It can be used daily for an instant glow, or a few times a week for more sensitive skin. Usability: the Sunday Riley Good Genes Serum is easy to apply, with a lightweight texture that sinks in quickly. The formula is potent, so you only need a few drops to cover your face, which makes the product long-lasting. Since it contains lactic acid, it's best to start by using it every other day to see how your skin reacts. especially if you have sensitive skin. Over time, you can increase usage to achieve the desired results. Durability. The shelf life of Sunday Riley Good Jeans is around 12 months after opening. Its airtight packaging helps maintain the integrity of the product by keeping it protected from environmental factors. The formula is designed to last, and a small amount is sufficient for each use, ensuring that the bottle will last for several months even with regular daily use. Coming in at number 3 is the Drunk Elephant C-Firma. Drunk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum is a potent vitamin C serum that brightens, firms, and protects the skin from environmental damage. It's a go-to product for those looking to address fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness while boosting skin radiance. The formula contains 15% L-ascorbic acid, the purest form of vitamin C, which is known for its ability to lighten hyperpigmentation and improve skin texture. Key features: Drunk Elephant C-Firma is packed with potent ingredients, including vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, ferulic acid, and pumpkin ferment extract. These ingredients work together to neutralize free radicals, brighten the skin, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The formula is also enriched with essential fatty acids and antioxidants, which help to nourish and protect the skin. It's free from fragrances, parabens, and silicones, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. The primary benefit of Drunk Elephant C-Firma is its ability to brighten dull skin, reduce hyperpigmentation, and protect the skin from environmental stressors. It also firms and tones the skin, leaving you with a smoother, more radiant complexion. To use, apply the serum to clean skin in the morning after cleansing and before your moisturizer and sunscreen. Make sure to follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin from UV rays. Usability. Drunk Elephant C-Firma is easy to use and absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any greasy residue. Its texture is smooth and lightweight, making it an excellent addition to your morning skincare routine. Since vitamin C can be potent, it's important to start with a small amount and gradually build up to avoid irritation. Using this serum consistently will yield the best results, but it's also important to apply sunscreen daily when using vitamin C to avoid potential sun sensitivity. Durability. The Drunk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum lasts for about 6 months after opening. The packaging is airtight to protect the stability of the vitamin C, which can degrade when exposed to air or light. To ensure maximum freshness and efficacy, store the product in a cool, dark place, and use it within the recommended time frame for optimal results. Taking our 4th spot is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mask. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a nourishing overnight mask that deeply hydrates and revitalizes the skin. This mask is infused with watermelon extract, which is packed with vitamins and amino acids that help to replenish the skin while you sleep. Known for its soothing properties, this mask provides a fresh, glowing complexion by morning. Key features. The key ingredients in the Watermelon Glow Mask include watermelon extract, hyaluronic acid, and AHA, alpha-hydroxy acids. These ingredients work together to gently exfoliate the skin, boost hydration, and refine skin texture. The mask has a gel-like texture that is easy to apply and doesn't leave a greasy residue. It's also free from parabens, sulfates, and artificial dyes, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. Benefits and usage. The primary benefit of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mask is its ability to hydrate and smooth the skin while you sleep. The AHAs help to exfoliate the skin gently, removing dead skin cells, while the watermelon extract provides antioxidants to fight free radicals. For best results, apply a generous layer of the mask to clean, dry skin before bed and leave it on overnight. In the morning, rinse off any excess for a fresh, dewy glow. Usability. This mask is easy to use as part of your nighttime skincare routine. Its lightweight, gel texture makes it comfortable to wear while sleeping, and it doesn't feel heavy or sticky on the skin. The mask is gentle, so even those with sensitive skin can enjoy its benefits. It's recommended to use the mask 2 to 3 times a week for the best results, and you can pair it with other skincare products for added hydration and glow. Durability. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mask typically lasts for 6 to 9 months after opening. The packaging is designed to keep the mask fresh, and a little goes a long way, so it will last for several applications. The hydrating formula ensures that your skin will feel nourished and refreshed with every use. And finally, at number 5, we have OLEHENRIKSEN Truth Serum. OLEHENRIKSEN Truth Serum is a brightening vitamin C serum that works to improve skin tone, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and promote overall skin radiance. The serum is packed with powerful antioxidants, including vitamin C and collagen, to help firm the skin and give it a healthy, luminous glow. Key features: the OLEHENRIKSEN Truth Serum features a potent blend of vitamin C, collagen, and orange extract, all of which work to brighten and energize the skin. This lightweight serum is free from parabens and sulfates, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. The formula is designed to absorb quickly, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and smooth without any greasy residue. Benefits and usage: OLEHENRIKSEN Truth Serum helps brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots and fine lines. The collagen boost helps firm the skin, giving it a youthful, plump appearance. To use, apply a few drops of the serum to clean, dry skin in the morning after cleansing and before moisturizing. For best results, follow up with sunscreen to protect your skin from UV damage. Usability: the serum is lightweight and easy to apply, making it a great addition to your morning routine. The texture is smooth and non-greasy, and it absorbs quickly, leaving your skin ready for the next step in your skincare regimen. Use it daily for maximum brightness and radiance. Durability: OLEHENRIKSEN Truth Serum has a shelf life of around 6 to 9 months after opening. The packaging ensures that the serum is protected from air and light, keeping it effective for an extended period. The serum is highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way, making it a great investment for long-lasting results. Achieving glowing skin doesn't have to be difficult, but choosing the right products is essential. Whether you're looking for a brightening serum, an exfoliating mask, or a nourishing treatment, these 5 products can help you on your journey to radiant, luminous skin. Remember, consistency is key, so stick to your routine and enjoy the results. Let us know in the comments which product you're most excited to try, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and reviews.